Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this fun blue mint green spring summer inspired look. And yeah, if you want to see how I got it, keep on watching. Okay, so like usual I'm going to start off with one eye, and I've already started off with my base, which is my Too Faced Shadow Insurance that I just dropped. And then I set that with my MAC Brulee, I believe, eyeshadow. So another really simple look today. I'm not really too sure how this look is going to turn out. I kind of had an idea in my head and thought, heck, we'll try it out and see how it works. So I'm going in with my Natasha palette, the green blue palette. I'm basically using like a mint green-ish shade for this. You can use any mint green you have, or it doesn't even have to be green, it can be blue or whatever eyeshadow. But I'm using this one here. It's called, if it matters, Golden Aquamarine. So it's like a goldy green, goldy minty green. And I also wanted to boost the shadow, like boost the color of it. So I'm using my NYX eyeshadow base, and this one is in white. So I'm just going to mix that on the back of my hand to warm it up, and I'm just going to apply it all over the eyelid and a little bit into the crease. And I have Sebastian here on my knee, so hopefully he decides to be good today and not be a jerk. And then I'm just going to take that eyeshadow, I'm going to pack it all over the lid and blend it up into the crease a little bit. I find this is also a really easy way to wear color. If you just blend it all over the lid and slightly into the crease and like don't take it too far up, it doesn't look like that 60s or 70s or whatever genre it is that... What show was it? There was a show where this lady was wearing like blue eyeshadow, was like all the way up to her brow bone. Anyways, I'm just going to take a blending brush and just blend it slightly into the crease. And then I'm going to go in with my Naked 3, my that strange color. It's just like a cream off-white color. And I'm going to add that to the brow bone. Apparently he hates it when I film now. He was good for the first couple of videos, but then after that he decided he doesn't like it when I talk to the camera. Don't throw a temper tantrum. Don't, no. Be nice. And I'm just going to take a little bit more of that green eyeshadow and blend it up into that cream color. Now for the inner corner, I'm taking a little bit of my Makeup Geek Shimma Shimma. This is like an everyday step for me, basically. I just find it helps blend the inner corner in with my inner corner. What am I trying to say? I find it helps the eyeshadows in the inner corners blend together. Okay, so next, that's it for the eyes. Like, that's it for the eyelid, sorry. I'm going to go in with my eyeliner next. I'm not going to do that on camera because it takes too long to do both eyes. So, of course, my Essence Superfine eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my eyeliner is complete. I'm going to go on with foundation next. And today I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Light Stay in Place. I'm going to be a little bit active this afternoon, so I want it to stay on my face. I've already primed. I actually used a different primer today. I got a sample of this in my latest Sephora package. I'll do a video for, I'm waiting to do a collective haul because this Sephora VIB sale starts in a couple weeks, so I don't know if I'm going to do it before then or after then. I don't have a lot of stuff, but I have a few things I've collected. Anyways, this was one of the samples that I got in my package. It was the Cover FX, what is this? Water Cloud Primer, Pollution and Blue Light Defense. It says it helps extend the wear of your makeup. It says it has a cooling effect, but I didn't really feel a cooling effect when I applied it, so we'll see how long it keeps my makeup on for, how long it controls my oil for. So I'm just adding a little bit of that on my little plate here, and I will apply that to my face. Okay, so next for concealer, I'm going to use my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Just a dab. When you're doing crazy colorful eyes, you want to really make sure you don't have any dark circles underneath, because I feel like that just kind of ruins the look. So I like to go on with, if I need a little more, I'll use a little more, but I find that really helps the look when you really lighten up the under eye area. For me anyways, I find. I think I'll use a little bit more. But I'm going to go in with my NC15, just in the inner corners here. On camera it may look weird, but in real life, can't get any out. There we go. So just take a tiny bit on my sponge, just to lighten it just a bit. This can sometimes backfire on me if I use too much. Okay, I'm going to set my face with my powder concoction. Actually, I'll do my brows next, sorry. My Essence Make Me Brow, as usual. While that's setting, I'm going to bronze my face, or my forehead color, with my Hoola bronzer. And then I'll move on to powdering the rest of my face. And then my skin's just looking a little bit dull today, so I'm going to go in with my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. And just brighten that up a little bit. And then for blush, we want something more or less on the neutral side, just because the eyes are extremely colorful. What do I want? Okay, so I'm going to go in with my, it's an old one, but any like neutral blush you have would work perfectly fine. It's called Poised. It's kind of like a bronzy, maybe not bronzy, but like, I don't know, bronzy to me. It's like a neutral color. Anyways, I'll go in with that. See how that looks. I find some blushes turn like an orange shade on me. I don't know why. It's kind of annoying actually, because this is more peachy than I anticipated, or more orangey. It's like not even a nice orange. Maybe it's old, I don't know. But to counteract that, I'm just going to go over it with some random Avon blush that I have. It's like a pinky color. Didn't really do much, but it's fine. It's workable. Okay, while my brows are still drying, I'm going to go in with highlighter. To start, for a base, I'm going to use my, what is this, Hourglass, the Gold Flash Cream Highlighter. I'm going to start by dabbing it on the cheekbone, on my apples. Here we go again. I'm going to start by dabbing it on the cheekbone with my finger. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my sponge and add some more and blend it out. I find doing with my finger first just helps melt it into the skin. And then I'm just going to take it and go over it here. I find I've been preferring more liquid products lately, or cream products, so actually there's a few times this week that I actually just applied this and nothing else, and I didn't even go over it with any other highlighter, which is extremely unlike me. But hey, people change, right? Hey, how's it going? How's it going, pretty bird? And then today for highlight, maybe I'll do that step. Yeah, I'll do that step next. I'm going to use an oldie but a goodie, my MAC Soft and Gentle. Let's go with that. Hey, up. Go on. And then blend on the inner corners of my T-zone here. I'm going to take that powder that I usually use from my ambient lighting palette, Edit 4, Volume 4, and just blend that shimmer there. Okay, so I'm going to do my brows and then I'm going to come back and finish up the lower lash line. Be right back. Okay, to finish up the lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and add a white base, just again to help make the eyeshadows pop more and give it something to stick to and make it last all day. This is just a white eyeliner by Rimmel. I also went and applied a little bit of highlighter, MAC's Perfect Topping. I don't know where it went. Oh, here it is to show you. Not that, you know. I think it's limited edition. Actually, oops, so sorry. Anyways, back to the eyes. And then I'm going to take a small pencil brush here and go back into that color again and go on the lower lash line with it. Now I'm not going to bring it all the way in because I want to put a gold color there. I find on my eye shape when I take it too far in I kind of look like, I just don't find it flattering on myself. But if your eyes suit going all the way in, by all means take it all the way in. Ugh, got some on my eye. Okay, then I'm going to go back into this highlighting stick here on my pinky finger, and I'm just going to add some to the inner corners to give that hold and pop ability, whatever I'm trying to say. And I'm going to go into my Kat Von D Alchemist palette and take the green shade from there. You don't have to use green, you can use any highlighting shade, gold. This is where you can either experiment and take it crazy or keep it more wearable, I guess. Just going to blend that out there. Okay, and then I'm going to take my MAC, any gold powder or gold eyeshadow that you want to use. This one's super old, I don't even think they make it anymore. And I'm just going to add that to the inner corners here to help bring the gold, sorry, the green, the two greens together. Okay, now that that's done, the final step, which is a little bit crazy, you can either go in with regular black mascara if you want to keep this look more like wearable. I'm going to go in with, I haven't decided whether I want to do like blue mascara, light blue, or burgundy. I don't know if burgundy is going to really pop on my eyelashes, but blue would look really cool. Maybe I'll do blue on the top and burgundy on the bottom. We'll see how that goes. But first, I want that mascara to really pop. Theme of the video. So I'm going to use my L'Oreal Lash Primer in white. I'm going to apply that first before I go in with the color. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to spray my face because my face is feeling dry. Okay, then after you make sure your eyelashes don't have any setting spray on it, I'm going to go in and apply this mascara. Okay, so I have two blue mascaras to choose from. I have my Sephora one that's okay, or I have my L'Oreal Voluminous Original, which is the blue one. I'm going to try this one first because I remember this being a little more pigmented than this one, but we will mix and see what we come up with. I think ColourPop came out with some different colored mascaras and eyeliners recently. I think I'm going to place an order and check it out. Maybe I'll order some of Kathleen Light's pigments too. There's a couple I was eyeing before. But shipping to Canada is just crazy sometimes. Okay, so after you literally pack it on your upper lashes, I'm going to go ahead and do the lower lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've added the blue mascara to the upper and lower lashes. That's how it's looking. For lips, I'm going to finish it off with something summery because this look is giving me serious summer vibes. So I'm going to go in with my Buxom Mykonos Sunrise, or however you say it. It's like this gorgeous peachy color, peachy pink color. And it smells like pineapples and vanilla. So yummy. You want to keep your lips light with a look like this so they can steal the show. Anyways, that is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. It's a little out there, but that's kind of my style sometimes. Let me zoom you in a little bit so you can just get a better look. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed it like I just said. Thank you very much for watching this video. You will see me in the next one. I'm so bad at that whatever you call it at the end of the video, ending the video. Maybe I'll just come up with a new line to say. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.